What's up, guys? Today we're going to be opening some Apex packs on Apex Legends. So let's start.
Zombie apocalypse.
Blue, nice.
Yeah, I got it, man.
Pretty good. I don't have that much stuff on this game, so anything's really good. Alright, let's see what this one is. Alright, just another blue. Ooh! Nice skin. That's pretty cool. Ooh! Another lifeline frame. I will be equipping this. Awesome. I love the Peacekeeper. Alright, 3 more. Let's see what I get. It's the blue. Okay. That's fine. Rampart skin. Awesome. I'll equip that. And then crafting metals. Awesome. Alright, last 2. Oh, a gold. Alright. Come on, something good. Crossing my fingers. Oh, shoot. Not a ballistic. I don't play ballistic. I don't even have him, but it's fine. It's fine. Alright, last one. Let's see what this is. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, 2 blues. Let's see what they are. Ooh, frame. I'll be equipping that. Ooh, nice. That's a good one. I play with the
Your
alternator.
survival skills could use some work.
Awesome. Alrighty, guys. That's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got some stuff from those packs. Pretty happy. Hope you guys have a good day. See ya.